Hey guys. Wow, a cat and a dog that gets along. That's incredible. Look at that. Hey cute guys, come here. Hey, you're a sweet little dude. You're a sweet little dude. Come here, kitty. This is my dream, to have a cat and a dog that get along. Well, nice and tidy. Alright, well, what are you gonna do, right? Holy mackerel. That's something else, man. There are girls that live here, too. Golly, man. Well, that's the first issue. That's the second issue. And the third issue is upstairs. The sink isn't draining. So we'll get started on this first. I think this is as simple as tightening up a little screw right here. It's pretty simple. Boy, can't get over how messy it is. So that's good to go now. That's nice and tight. Okay, so oh, I thought the disposal was on that side. Oh gosh. Okay, so we may have a serious clog here. This may be, there's just something stuck in here. Yeah, you're right. Come right there. You can hear it draining. All right. Hey, kitty. Okay. For a man's face or for legs? Slow drain. This is packed. Wow. Wow. I just noticed that this toilet has not stopped running either, so no. So the way this fill valve works is you have that on there, And when this float is raised enough, it blocks that off. But this rubber thing is kind of crusty, so I don't know if it's still going to work or not. How do I change a fill valve? All this nasty stuff right here. There we go. All right. Check the water level. We're out of here.